Today, I'm super excited to share a fantastic way you can start earning up to $7,000 a month just by making YouTube Shorts. If you're a student or someone looking for an easy method to make money online, this video is perfect for you. Make sure to watch it all the way through because what I'm about to show you could really change your life. So grab a snack, settle in, and let's get started on this exciting journey together. Real-life example, storytelling. A 16-year-old student wanted to start a YouTube channel but had no money, no fancy equipment, and not even his own phone. He used his mom's phone. He messaged me, asking for a way to earn money from YouTube without showing his face or using his voice. His goal was simple, a channel that was easy to manage, took less time, and could make at least $700 per month. After researching, I found the perfect method for him, faceless motivational shorts. He followed the steps, picked viral topics, and made videos using free tools. His first few videos didn't get many views, but he stayed consistent. Then, one video went viral and got 32 million views. Within just 3 months, his channel had over 3 million subscribers and he was earning more than $7,000 per month. If he can do it, so can you. Keep watching to learn this method. The best YouTube Shorts strategy. The best strategy for earning money with YouTube Shorts is faceless motivation shorts. This means creating short videos with motivational text, stock footage, and AI voiceovers. People love watching quick, powerful life lessons, and these videos get millions of views. Here's how you can do it. Pick viral topics. Search for trending life lessons or self-improvement tips. Write a simple script. Example: do this if you ever feel stuck in life. This kind of hook keeps people watching. Use free stock videos. Websites like Pexels and Pixabay have high-quality footage. Add captions. Most people watch shorts without sound, so captions help keep them engaged. Use an AI voiceover. Tools like 11 Labs generate natural voices. This method works because it's fast, easy, and super engaging. Once you go viral, you can repeat the process and keep growing. How to find viral video topics. Finding the right topic is the key to success on YouTube Shorts. If you pick a viral topic, your video has a higher chance of getting millions of views. Here's how you can find them. Search YouTube Shorts. Open YouTube, type in a broad keyword like life lessons or motivation, and check which videos have millions of views. Use Social Blade. This free tool helps you track top-performing shorts channels. Look at channels growing fast and note down their popular videos. Find patterns. If you see multiple videos with the same topic and high views, that's a sign it works. Repeat success. If one video on 3 life-changing habits goes viral, making a part 2 or a similar topic can also go viral. Repetition is powerful. Successful YouTubers reuse viral topics in different ways to keep growing. How to write a winning script. A great script makes your video go viral. Here's how to write a simple but powerful script. Start with a strong hook. First 3 seconds. Example: if you ever get into a fight, do this immediately. A good hook makes people curious and keeps them watching. Main content. Short and engaging. Share 3 quick points with clear steps. Example: if it's your fault, apologize immediately. If not, stay calm and avoid unnecessary fights. If insulted, walk away unless it crosses the limit. Call to action. End. Example: would you react the same way? Comment below. This increases engagement. Avoid copy-pasting AI scripts. They feel robotic and won't perform well. Writing manually takes only 10 extra minutes, but boosts your chances of going viral. Creating the video with no face or voice. Making a faceless, voiceless YouTube Shorts video is super easy if you use the right tools. Here's a step-by-step guide. Find high-quality background videos. Websites like Pexels and Pixabay offer free stock footage. Search for motivational clips like people working hard, nature scenes, or success-related visuals. Edit with free apps. Use Canva, CapCut, or VN Editor to add text, transitions, and effects. Keep it simple but engaging. Add captions. Most people watch shorts on mute, so captions help them stay engaged. Use bold, easy-to-read fonts. Use AI voiceovers. If you don't want to use your voice, 11 Labs, Play.ht, or VoiceMaker can generate natural-sounding AI voices. Just paste your script and choose a clear, engaging voice. Use hooks and captions. The first 3 seconds should grab attention. Example: this trick can change your life. Adding strong hooks in text form keeps viewers watching longer. With this method, you can create a full video in just 30 to 40 minutes and upload it daily for consistent growth. Maximizing revenue and sponsorships. The secret to making real money from YouTube Shorts is understanding ad revenue and sponsorships. Ad revenue. Tier 1 versus India. YouTube pays differently based on the country where your views come from. In India, 10 million views might make $100 to $200. But in Tier 1 countries, USA, UK, Canada, Australia, the same 10 million views can make $1,000 to $2,000, 10 times more. That's why creating English content is better for earning higher revenue. How to attract sponsorships. Even with 50,000 to 100,000 views per video, brands will pay you for promotions. Once your channel grows, reach out to brands that match your content. Example: if you make motivational shorts, self-improvement brands, book companies, or finance apps might want to sponsor you. You can charge $100 to $500 per sponsored video as your channel grows. By targeting high-paying countries and finding sponsorships, you can multiply your earnings fast. Repeating the process for growth. The fastest way to grow a YouTube Shorts channel is repetition. If one video goes viral, similar videos can also perform well. This is how big YouTubers keep getting millions of views. Find what works. Check your best performing videos. If a video on top 3 life lessons gets millions of views, make part 2, part 3, and so on. Use the same hook with a twist. If a viral video starts with, "Do this if you want to be successful," a new video can start with 3 mistakes that stop success. Copy the winning formula. Keep the same format, captions, and editing style, just change the content. Increase frequency. Post at least 3 to 5 shorts per week. The more you post, the higher the chances of getting another viral hit. Repetition saves time, boosts growth, and keeps your audience engaged. If something worked once, it can work again. Just modify it slightly and keep posting. Monetization. Breakdown. How much can you really earn from YouTube Shorts? Let's break it down with a real case study. Case study. A viral Shorts channel. A new channel uploaded 100 shorts in 3 months. One video got 32 million views, and the channel reached 3 million subscribers. In the last 30 days, it gained 70 million views. Social Blade, estimate versus real earnings. Social Blade estimated $17,000 in earnings. But Shorts monetization works differently. In India, 10 million views make around $100 to $200. In Tier 1 countries, USA, UK, Canada, the same views make $1,000 to $2,000. Real earnings. Calculation. If 70 million views came from mixed regions, it likely earned around $5,000 to $7,000 from ads. Sponsorships and brand deals can add another $1,000 to $5,000. So, even with a few viral videos, a Shorts channel can easily make $7,000+ per month and keep growing. Bonus tips for success. If you want to grow fast and earn more from YouTube Shorts, follow these important tips. Stay consistent. The biggest mistake beginners make is not posting enough videos. YouTube rewards channels that post 3 to 5 shorts per week. More videos mean more chances of going viral. Even if some videos don't perform well, one viral hit can change everything. Use community posts and Shorts feed. YouTube pushes Shorts to the Shorts feed, so use trending hashtags and engaging captions. Also, post on the community tab to keep your audience engaged. Ask questions, create polls, or share updates to keep viewers coming back. Reuse your best videos. If a video does well, change the voiceover and language to reach a new audience. Example: if your English video got 1 million views, re-upload it with a Hindi voiceover and get another million views. YouTube allows content in multiple languages, so take advantage of this and double your reach. By following these simple but powerful steps, you can grow fast, increase your earnings, and turn YouTube Shorts into a real business. If you found this helpful, hit the subscribe button and start your YouTube journey today. Don't miss out. New money-making tips coming soon, so turn on notifications now.